step into the INFINITI 2013 G37 Sedan journey. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are premium package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM single-disc CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.